What do you think, man? You having fun?
It's awesome, but most of the track's open to yourself, like this. Hit and jump sideways.
And today you're racing RC cars.
I'm just kind of nervous. You're gonna get shut down by an RC car. I don't know about that. I'll try to run it over or something.
Yeah, you see that? You see how it whipped?
It's amazing to ride with my Craig. Man is a legend. The weather is amazing. The track's amazing. I'm having a blast. I guess you can see it on my face.
A little bigger than a regular track, right?
The car definitely looks small out there. It's not made for those huge jumps.
There's more than one way to win a race.
It was on my line. Now let's try to have it pass between my wheels. Hey, good job, man.
Good race. My car's done.
Sorry.
I have a race this weekend.
That car's fast though. It was cool to watch you guys race.
That was a lot faster than I expected, like in corners and everything. It was really fun. I didn't want to roll over it, so I was just like looking at it, and then he told me not to look at it, so yeah, I didn't. That was fun.